Let's talk a little bit about the monetization, right? Of course, you're at 100K subscribers. You're probably, in the YouTube partner program, you're making some ad revenue. How do you currently make money out of your channel? And I know you're probably in school, or, you're going to college or university. So maybe this is not your prime focus to make money off of YouTube. But with a channel with that many subscribers and the number of views you get, are you thinking about starting to make money, and how you're going to monetize your channel?
Yeah, definitely. Well, I think from the very beginning, when I saw that it was growing, it wasn't my first thought, but I began to wonder, could I turn this into something where I could start making money? And back when I was getting, initially starting to get views, which was 2017, early 2017, so January, February, I had probably 20,000 total views. And I remember I heard that, this common, stereotype is that for every 1,000 views, you get $1. And I was thinking, could I have $20 at this point? So I was doing some research, and back then, the rules for monetization were a little bit more relaxed. Now it's 1,000 subscribers you need to get monetized. Back then it was a little bit more relaxed, so I could apply, and I almost instantly got accepted. And I only had around, I think it was 800 subscribers. I'm not 100% sure on this, but I got monetized. And I remember when I first got monetized, I noticed the screen and it told me that I had got 60 cents. And when I saw that I was making 60 cents, I was mind blown, because even though it's just 60 cents, that can add up. And I never knew that some random videos I was putting out on the internet could actually make me money. And that was sort of a mind-blowing moment for me. And I kept on posting videos, and my view count kept on going up. I had this really big spike at one point where I had almost gained 20,000 subscribers. Not 20,000, but there was a really big peak, December of 2017. And in December 2017, I had gotten 2 million views in that month.
Wow.
And this was, my channel was only a year old at that point, and I was, going crazy, because it was probably one of my biggest dreams for that to happen. And my channel was finally hitting that exponential curve.
Absolutely.
And so...
Don't we all love that?
Yeah, we do. Because, it's one thing to put out good content, but sometimes with the algorithm, it's kind of a hit and miss. So you might be putting out good content, but sometimes people don't find it. So when people really do find it, and it makes you ecstatic.